Ever wondered how to unlock the shopping spree hidden within that Amazon gift card? Let's dive right into redeeming it so you can start shopping. First, head over to Amazon.com and make sure you're logged into your account if you don't have one. It's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're logged in, look for the account and list option in the top right corner of the page, hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, find and click on gift cards. This will take you directly to the Amazon gift card page. Here, you'll see an option to redeem a gift card. Click on that. Now, it's time to enter your claim code. This is usually found on the back of your physical gift card, often hidden under a scratch-off coating. For digital gift cards, it will be in the email you received. Carefully type or paste the code into the provided field. After entering the code, click on the yellow Apply to Your Balance button. Congratulations! You should now see the amount of your gift card added to your Amazon balance. This balance will automatically be used towards any eligible purchases you make on Amazon. When you proceed to check out for your next order, your Amazon balance will be pre-selected as a payment method if your order total is less than your balance. The remainder will stay in your Amazon account for future use. If it's more, you can simply add another payment method for the difference. And just like that, you've successfully used your Amazon gift card, ready to enjoy your new goodies. Happy shopping!